and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are back to introduce you to our latest Create and Make launch. This is the Buzzy Bag. Another new Create and Make launch for you. This one is so cute.
You did all of this one. I haven't actually made it, but it is the most adorable bag. It's so good. It's a Toby bag, so we know it's going to be clever. Of course. We know. Should we have a little look at the dice?
Let's. So you know our Create and Make launches are a smaller die set generally. They are this size, but that doesn't mean that they make a smaller project.
They do not. You may find that you have a little bit more cutting, because we've tried to give you a bigger project to do, but with a smaller die set. So we do have to cut down on something somewhere, basically.
Exactly.
As it's Create and Make direct from us, you will get your medium folder. What is it? It's a medium insert.
That's the one.
Okay.
Well done.
Should we do that again?
No.
Oh, no. Your medium insert and your magnetic sheet ready to go into your medium ring binder. See, it was the words medium ring binder was coming out of my mouth and I knew it was wrong. I knew.
So got it in the end, that's the important thing.
I did. And I really did think we were going to cut that and film it again.
Absolutely
but
not.
There
it's
you
a
go.
one-take wonder.
So you can see you have all of your instructions telling you exactly how many you need to cut, and there is an order here that Toby has used to make this, but it's not the order that Leo uses to make it. So if you are a little bit confused by these instructions, have a little look at Leo's reveal video, Leo's make video, and she'll guide you through it step by step. And to be honest with you, it's a little bit easier than this. I
think it is. I mean, like I said, I think in that video, everyone crafts in different ways.
Definitely.
And you'll probably find a way that is easier for you as well. I just found the way that I did it to be easier for me, to make sure that everything lined up. So.
Exactly. But on here, you have this little Buzzy Bee. Just here, look at him, he's got an outer edge as well, so he's a verso, so you can cut him and layer him, and he is adorable. You've got a little deboss sentiment that says little bag of love. Ah, so cute. That is there, and then this is your strap, and these are your sides, so you can see from the samples that it's just a multi-cut of the same dies all the way around. And these two here then are your clasp.
And all of the patterns in this are very much, honeycomb themed, basically. So nice and simple.
It's suitable for anyone then, isn't it?
And then, of course, it makes it really easy to add on any patterned paper that you want. You've got your outer edges, you can just cut plain pattern paper if you would prefer to do that.
Yes, definitely, because they're all verso, obviously. Okay, so that is your die set. That can just go there.
Okay.
Shall we have a look at some samples?
Go on then. Where do you want to start?
Well, I want to start with the one that you made for packaging. So do you want to talk us through that one?
This one here.
Yes.
So this one, I had fun with this, I have to say. So I don't know if you can quite tell under the lights, but the layers underneath, I put some gold gilding flakes on there.
I did see that.
So, it's kind of like the royal jelly is in that honeycomb. I've got some little bees all over this. There's one on the handle.
Yeah.
There was some paper piecing. I channeled my inner Mammy Allen for this one. So there is our bag. So your handle just slides over. There's your Toby mechanism. You've got your little clasp on the front, and it literally just hinges like that. So it is a good size gift bag. Plenty that you can be stashing in there.
Definitely.
And for this one, so I made this slightly differently. So you'll notice on here that my lid and my base cross over. So I've got one handle on the base and one handle on the lid. And then the one I made for the make, they're both on the base. So again,
I can't
Whichever you
even
prefer.
see which one you made for the make. Where is it?
I think it is behind us.
Ah,
at the moment.
right, okay. Oh, it is. So I shall get that one as well. So you can see from this one that we've just got the layered one. This is the one that Leo's done for the make. And you can see here that you just pop your handle down, lift that clasp. And this one, the handle is on the base.
Yeah. I don't know how I did it differently.
No.
But I did.
You just didn't think you did it differently. That was the best thing.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, a couple of different options for this, depending on how you want it to look. If you want it to cross over or fit inside, both will work for you.
Fabulous. So we've had some lovely samples from the DT as well. We've got some nice pattern paper ones. I think this was the other one you did for packaging, wasn't it?
Yes, that's right.
So you can see there we've cut in. With those Verso panels and a nice blousey bow on the top. I really like that.
Because obviously the original one was very, bee themed with the gold and the yellow and the black, I was like, okay, we need to make it a lot softer and drastically different.
Yeah.
So
a bit more girly.
Pastel pink.
And you can see that
our lovely
there.
Dusky rose paper, which we have been using on pretty much anything we can get away with.
Pretty much, yeah, for ages. Before it was sold. And there you see just that clasp and the little handle mechanism there.
I actually made the handle out of the patterned paper this time.
Yeah, that's nice because it is strong enough. I mean, it is 200 GSM, so there you go. There's that one. So those are the two packaging samples.
Yep.
So you have one on the front and I think one on the back. Yeah, you can see it just there on the back open. So that's the other one we've just shown you. And we've had some lovely ones from the design team. I've got a lovely one here with pew pew paper.
Oh, look
and
at this.
We love a bit of pew pew. Look at that cat in the light. Okay, wait. Oh, love it. So this one's been cut in. And you can see that one there. This one is from, bear with, Shilpa. Yes, Shilpa likes to cut in. Yes, and we've got the side panels all overlaid there with the patterns. We'll just pop that handle back and the clasp up and you can see right inside there. Fabulous. I love the fact that it's cut through right the way through to the base as well.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, very nice touch in that one. So that's one from Shilpa there, and the little bees on the sides and one covering the handle join. Because your handle is actually in two pieces, so you overlap that there, don't you?
You do
so
indeed.
That one from Shilpa.
I've got a lovely one here. This is from Shabney's. So finding some lovely patterned paper to go with this. Lots of bee themed patterns going on here, and I love the little bees with their little jeweled heads. I think that's very cute.
Aren't they beautiful?
There's a little one also on the top of the handle there, and then some patterned paper around the edges. I really, really like that.
I love that one. And the sentiment on this one as well.
Yeah, little deboss sentiment on there. Very, very cute. Very nice.
What we didn't mention as well is there is a deboss panel for the handle.
There is, yes.
As well. So I've got a nice one here as well.
Oh, I like that.
Now this one is very gentle. So you've got all the shades of yellow and gold and it's just screaming honey to me.
It is.
Beautiful. This one is from, I
Right.
don't have a name. Oh no. Bear with. Let me see if I can find one.
There it is. It's Christine.
Ah, yes.
I knew there'd be a sticker somewhere.
There'd have to be something somewhere. So this is one of our Christines and she's put the bees on as well. You can see them just on the top there. And the lovely handle with the patterns going down the sides. All curved nicely. And what's nice about this one is the fact that she's done it in two colours.
Yes, I like that, alternating the sides.
Very, very nice.
You've got an even number, so you can alternate nice and easily.
Very nice. So, yeah, we've got that one from Christine. Thank you, Christine.
Are you just stacking them up behind
I
you
am,
instead
so
of...
I don't I don't get
You
mixed up
cheat, you really do.
what ones I've shown.
So I have a lovely one here from Ruth in cream and gold. So again, there's nice patterns on the side. And we've got our little bee on the handle as well. And a little clasp just on the front. Very pretty. I like that very much. Very classy.
Yes. Quite elegant, I think, with those colours. We've got another one here from Christine. And what she's done is made her own papers.
Yep.
So Christine likes to do this. So we have got that lovely, sorry, it's got a little bit squished in the post. That lovely, what's the name of this?
Opalescent green.
Opalescent green, which is that very fine glitter.
It's that ombre glitter
card.
card.
And it's so
almost
smooth.
yeah.
It's so smooth. It does not feel like glitter. I mean, you could barely even hear a scratch against it. It's fabulous stuff. So Christine's just gone down with some sea salt green
and
pistachio, and she's layered with those on top of that opalescent glitter.
Like that.
It's lovely, isn't it? It's such a shame it got a little bit squished, but this is what happens with Royal Mail. Yeah, it is a lovely idea. Sorry, I'm pitching this to myself.
No.
So I'll turn him back around.
Can't keep it.
I know.
It belongs to everyone now.
I do like that one. That's the one from that side, wasn't it?
It is.
Right.
So we've got two more on your side, I think.
Got this one here, and this is another. It's got to be Shilpa, surely.
Yes.
Shilpa has the most beautiful collection of papers. So Shilpa's used some pattern papers for this one, again, to change the theme completely. Accessorise them with the gold, the nice shiny gold, and the gold for the bees as well. There's a little one on the handle, and the two on the sides there. Beautiful.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Beautiful. I do have a card from Christine as well that I love. I meant to show this when we show the bag because it's kind of in the same colourway. You've got the circles. She's used the circles to cut out little... it is sliding again. To cut out the little apertures. She's popped some acetate behind those, and she's used it to make a little shaker.
And she says she's got a tutorial on that too. So
she
you
does.
can see that on Christine's channel, which is Crafty Potential here on YouTube.
That's right. So lucky to have you. I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you, Christine.
I've got a couple of cards over this side as well.
Oh, we should have showed that one with that bag.
Yeah.
Because it's clearly the fallout, isn't it?
So here's Ruth's bag. I'm just going to pop that to one side, and then I have a card here from Ruth. So she's used the panel that goes on here to cut this aperture, and then she's used all of the fallout from the honeycomb pattern to make her own shaker, and the little bee on here, and then she just added some extra decorations from her stash, which I really like. I think it's a lovely idea. It's always nice to have a coordinating gift bag and card.
Yes, I do like that a lot. I have one more here. This is another one from Ruth. And you can see here, Ruth's just paper pieced those bees. She's used the... What is the name of this cardstock?
Golden polka dot.
Why can I not remember anything? Yes, the golden polka dot, which is a lovely choice for this, I think. Because you don't have to line up any patterns, as long as you've got your lines straight for your panels there on the front. You can see that they're all going in straight from the centre there. So yeah, that's a very nice little sample there from Ruth as well.
I think I have one more card. This one is from Champneys, and this is a lovely little card that she's done, and she's actually made a bookmark using the piece for the handle.
I like that.
So it's like a little gift.
A gift, you say?
Exactly. A gift of a bookmark on a card. I really like that idea.
But she's got a really nice quote on the front.
So it says, books are the bees which carry the quickening pollen from one to another mind, which is from James Russell Lowell, apparently. So
I love that.
A lovely little gift card, I guess you would call that one.
Definitely.
Very cute.
I think you've got one more bag there.
But I have. Well spotted. It's all the black and gold, you see. I'm getting blind to the black and gold at this point. Let me just look at this one in. So we've got another black and gold beauty here. Some more pattern paper going on behind these layers here. There's lovely spots in there. I love the gold pearl on this too. And again, we've got the alternating panels. This one is from, I'm going to guess it's Christine again. I'm not seeing a label this time. Hold on.
No.
I don't see a name at all, in fact.
Oh.
Handle's a little bit stuck there. Ah, no name.
No name.
Okay, well, if this is yours, do let us know in the comments below so we can say thank you. This is a lovely one. So the actual panels themselves are made of the pattern paper this time rather than cutting the layer. So I think that's a lovely idea.
Yeah, and it cuts down if you've got something to make quickly. So having a thicker cardstock that's got a pattern like that is just invaluable, I think.
Do you know the name of this one?
Golden quarterfoil.
Well done. You've passed your tonic test for today.
Thank you.
So this die set is available now from our website. Go and grab one for yourself. You're definitely not going to regret this. It's a lovely, good size gift bag. And these are £14.99 in the UK or $14.99 in the US, which I think is an absolute bargain for a die set that's going to give you a bag of this size and all of those lovely shaped dies that you can do other things with, as our design team have shown you as well. Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, that means of course you will be able to get 10% off this with your TCK code as well, since it's on our website. Extra discounts, and you can of course pay in installments on our website using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal, whichever one suits you best. If you have enjoyed this, please do give us a little thumbs up. If you are going to buy the Buzzy Bag and you're going to make one, what are you going to do with yours? Do you have any ideas?
I love this one.
Me too. I can think of a lot of things I would do with this, I think.
I mean, do you have bees?
Yes.
Do you actually make honey?
Yeah. It would be perfect for a little honey jar.
Yeah, or little beeswax candles or anything like that. I think it's a really good size.
Yeah, it really is.
For gifting.
Let us know in the comments below what you've been inspired by. Have you got an idea? Do you have someone in mind that you want to gift it to? Maybe you know a beekeeper and you're going to give them a gift of something bee related. Let us know. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live. Don't forget as well to tag us in your makes. We would love to see your projects using this die set. You can post those on our official Tonic Studios Facebook group over on Facebook, or we are across social media at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!